Got my first client this Thursday.
Just got my biggest monthly client today.
First client in my agency. Thanks Vico Khang.
I closed 2 clients this week.
Vico, day 1 first client. Thank you. 4 new clients this week. Just working on a new script for this AI chatbot model. Hi Vico, your content helped me a lot to getting a real estate client.
If you're looking to start your own no-code AI agency, you have come to the right place. My name is Vico Khang, founder of leadestate.io, which is a marketing agency that helps real estate agents in Australia get consistent results using meta ad and AI. I'm also a founder of GoHighLevel Kickstarter, which is an educational business that helps everyday people just like you start their own no-code AI agency from scratch. Over the past few years, I have been living in Southeast Asia and running my agency from the comfort of my own home. And guess what? You can do the same without any coding skill, technical skill, a big team from engineer, or even huge capital up front. And here's the proof, guys. I'm not any smarter than you. In fact, I dropped out of my university from South Australia, get a low-paying apprentice job, get sick of my life, and pack my bag and bought a one-way ticket to Thailand. And here's some proof of me charging people thousands of dollars to set up a very simple but effective system and $297 per month to actually maintain that system for them. So in this classroom, we're going to help you with 3 things. Number 1, we're going to help you set up a no-code white label AI system. This is by stealing somebody else's software with AI agent pre-installed and just put your own name, brand, and logo on top of it and then resell it as your own. Number 2, we're going to help you craft an irresistible AI offer that people feel stupid saying no to. We do this by giving you our exact copy and paste ad template that work for our 40K per month plus agency. Number 3, we're going to help you launch a stupid, simple $10 per day meta ad that's going to help you attract high ticket paying client, and our word by word sales script that's going to help you convert them to a long-term paying customer. Now, if you head over to our Skool community here inside Classroom, we'll make things extra simple for you guys. We'll label every module with a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this so that you can watch them in order and execute your business plan in the most simplest manner. And the best part about this is that you guys don't have to do this alone. We have a community thread that allow you to ask questions, connect with people globally who's doing the same things. Right now we at 2K member, and people are going to be online 24/7 because this is a global community. So make sure that you introduce yourself and ask questions in times of need. And lastly, guys, go check out our calendar tab. We have lots of free events that are going to help you get started and get launched, and a couple of exclusive masterclass in there. So make sure you check it out. And if you guys have any question at all or any concern, just reach out to me, Vico Khang in Skool, and I'll make sure to respond. And that's it, guys. Get to the community, get to the training, get to the tool, get to the support, and take action. And lastly, make your first $1,000 online using the no-code AI agents. Otherwise, someone else will. See you soon.